In the data analysis section, we will be talking about normal distribution and binomial distribution. What are these? What sense these make? Let's understand that step by step. But before we go to normal distribution, binomial distribution, what are these? Let's forget about that for now. Let's stick to the data types which we have already talked earlier. Data could be continuous, data could be discrete. If a variable can take any value between two specified value, then this is called as continuous variable, and the other one is the discrete. Let's say I am taking a measurement of an item which is somewhere between 99 and 100 millimeters. So if I take measurement, this measurement could be anything between 99 millimeter and 100 millimeters. So depending on my accuracy, I can find out that this piece is 99.1 millimeters or this piece is 99.135 millimeters. I can go to any detail depending upon whatever accuracy I have in my instrument. This is an example of continuous data because between 99 and 100, there are infinite numbers in between these two numbers. Between 99 and 100, you can have 99.1, 99.2, or you can have 99.135, or you can have 99.13678, something. So there are infinite numbers between 99 and 100. So that's the continuous data, and discrete data will be which is coming in steps. So if I flip a coin, I get head or tail, either head or tail. If I flip, let's say 10 coins together, I might have 3 heads, 4 heads, 5 heads, but I cannot have 3.56 heads when I flip 10 coins. So this data is discrete data. So if we have this clarity, then we can very well understand the difference between the normal and the binomial distribution.